Greetings, artists! In this video art lesson, we are going to explore how colors relate to one another by creating still lifes in monochromatic and contrasting color schemes. We will use chalk or oil pastel on colored drawing paper or construction paper. Let's begin. First, you'll want to select a sheet of colored drawing paper. I'll be using brown construction paper today. Do not use black or white paper for this project. You will, however, need black and white oil pastel. Next, you'll want to choose a contrasting color from your pastels. I've chosen purple. Before you get started with your drawing, it's a good idea to test out your pastels at the back of your paper to get an idea of how the colors are actually going to look together. You should also grab black and white pastel for highlights, shadows, and for blending mid-range values that will be crucial to this project. When I know what color combination I want to try, I'll look through my viewfinder to determine the layout of my composition. Then I'll start by drawing a rough outline of my shapes in black pastel. I like to build up my dark areas first using black, and then work in my mid-range values by blending my chosen color. Lastly, I'll add highlights in white. Don't be afraid to push your light and dark values and include a wide range of midtones. Pay attention to highlights, shadows, and mid-ranges in your still life to create the most pleasing composition possible. After you've completed your contrasting color experiment, try recreating the same scene from your sketchbook using two like colors this time, such as brown pastel on brown paper. I think I'm going to try red on red for this piece. I hope this quick and fun exercise helps you to gain a better understanding of how colors relate to one another and how strong value contrasts can help us to eliminate the need for using a lot of colors in every scene. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more still life videos that will be added to my channel very soon. Happy drawing!